Tired of run-of-the-mill desktop trash cans? Today, let's spend 2 minutes making this evil Doraemon trash can. The video covers material recommendations, print settings, and assembly steps. Filament pick. PLA is best for beginners. It prints easily, no heavy warping, perfect for indoor desk use. Upgrade to PETK if you want higher toughness and water resistance. Match colors: blue, white, red, yellow. Heated bed temperature 60 C. Layer height 2 mm. Infill density 15. Wall thickness 16 mm. Reduce print speed to 40 mm per second for fine details. Add supports only inside the mouth. Add a skirt when printing the head. Assembly only needs super glue. Fit the white face first, attach facial features, then collar and bell. All parts have reserved gaps for easy fitting. No complex tools required. Compact size fits all desks. The wide mouth makes tossing trash super easy. All colors are crisp thanks to separate color printing. Leave your custom color ideas down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Links for the filament and model are pinned in the comments.